Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, Pigs.
Good afternoon. Diane and Randall Breaux here, your favorite married realtor couple.
That's right.
There you go.
Or just your favorite people in
I
all
hope
the
just
universe.
your favorite people.
Yeah.
And all the universe. That's a high, that's a big, whatever. I'd like, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
But I'm okay if you
Yeah.
don't like us. That's cool. I can roll with that too. But I hope you like us. We try to have fun.
Yeah, we did.
So we're here to talk about a lot of folks, the saying, bloom where you're planted. Well, you can, but sometimes you can grow even bigger and go to higher heights if you bloom elsewhere.
Elsewhere.
Bloom elsewhere.
If you're like us, we were born and raised in southern Louisiana, and we did not want to bloom there. We wanted to raise our kids someplace else. We wanted to live someplace else. And so we did. We moved. That's what separates animals from plants. Animals can move. So don't be a plant.
Don't be a plant.
Don't be a plant.
Yes, you can bloom wherever you're planted.
You
but
can.
What if you could bloom and make thousands more flowers?
Yeah.
And grow as tall and reach the skies if you were a tree. If you came here to Prescott. And I will say, I personally think we have bloomed big time since we came here.
We absolutely.
We have entered a new phase of life. We really have bloomed here ourselves.
Yes.
We've met the loveliest people, the greatest friends. We're having the time of our life. And, we kind of got out of our old box and here we are.
Yes.
And it's really true. Yeah, you can bloom wherever you are, but why not bloom where it's fresher ground?
Yes.
Where it's better fertilizer,
That's right.
where it's better,
That's right.
Why not try something else
Yes.
and bloom twice as much?
Twice as much. This is a blooming place.
This is a blooming place. A lot of people come here, they're retired, and they are rediscovering old hobbies, or they're discovering new hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
They're discovering hiking, biking, jeeping, all these things they never had time before when they were working. You can do that here and bloom. I mean, we've got people here at Prescott Lakes Club that learn Mah-jongg, Dominoes, things they never did before because you're busy raising a family or working or this, that, and the other.
Or stuck in traffic.
Or stuck in traffic. Now it's the time to have fun. And boy, can you have fun here and really bloom and develop into a new and better version of yourself.
Absolutely. We were talking about that, just how gratifying it is to see new people come to town. You watch them bloom.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot of fun. And they're like, I've never had so much fun in my whole life. I'm like, and you work hard. This is what I tell everybody. You guys have worked hard. Now is the time to enjoy the fruits of your efforts and bloom elsewhere.
Bloom where you want. Yeah.
In Prescott.
Yeah. Prescott is a good place to bloom.
Prescott is a good place to bloom. So we hope you come here and bloom with us.
That's right.
I'm still living and learning every day.
That's what blooming is.
That's what blooming is, living and learning new things. And we'd love to learn with you.
That's right.
So give us a call if you're looking to list or buy. We'd be happy to help you. You can find us at our website.
Yes, our free information site is pickle411.com. Whether you are a buyer, seller, or somewhere in between, there is something there that will amaze, astound, inform, and entertain you.
Yep.
And it's all absolutely free.
Yes.
Pickle411.com. Don't miss it. Go now.
Go now. Go right now. Right now.
Right now.
And we can't wait to see you. We'll
That's right.
maybe pour some water on you when you land and a little fertilizer.
Well, maybe not fertilizer.
And then we can watch you bloom.
Yeah.
We'd love to watch you bloom.
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 Yeah.
Okay, bye friends.